Fruit is essential to our diet, as it is high in vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates and fiber. Today we shall share some easy-to-follow suggestions to get more fruit into your diet and to improve your overall well-being. We also have a 28-day body transformation diet program linked in the video description below for you. Number 1. Consider the impact on your health. Eating fruit as part of your daily diet can help you maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of heart disease, strokes and some cancers. Also, fruit contains a great variety of vitamins and minerals, carbohydrates and fiber. So, eating the right combinations of fruit is particularly good for you. For instance, an apple is high in fiber and low in vitamin C, but if you add an orange and some strawberries, then you will get all the vitamin C you need for that day. Number 2. Have fruit for breakfast. Adding sliced banana to your cereal or dried fruit to your porridge, or whipping up a fresh fruit salad are all brilliant ways to brighten up breakfast. Grabbing a handful of blueberries and raspberries can be extremely beneficial, as apart from the usual benefits of fruit, they also contain antioxidants which reduce DNA damage. This includes things such as slowing down the skin's aging process, and helping to prevent skin damage from the sun. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. Number 3. Consume 5 portions of fruit a day. Many countries have national or regional programs in place to encourage everyone to eat at least 5 portions of fruit and vegetables a day. A glass of fruit juice counts as 1 portion, but drinking 5 glasses will still count as just 1 portion. If you aim for about a third of your diet to be made up of fruit and vegetables, then you're well on your way to a healthy diet. Number 4. Eat your favorite fruit within 20 minutes of waking up. Your body goes into starvation for almost 8 hours during sleep. Eating fruit within 20 minutes of waking up rehydrates your body and furnishes it with low GI carbohydrates that keep your metabolism fired up throughout the day. Number 5. Use fruit for snacking. Fruit is the perfect food for on the go and can easily replace biscuits, cakes and chocolate as your snack of choice. Fatty and high sugar snacks are low on essential vitamins and minerals, as well as fiber and can lead to poor digestive health. Lastly, try to combine your lifestyle eating program with exercise to get the most benefits for your health. Pick 1 new fruit per week. Always keep the fruit bowl full, it will encourage you to pick at it instead of at the snack food packages. Ready to start your keto diet to lose weight? If you're interested in trying the keto diet to lose weight or manage your health, but unsure how to eat, and what to avoid, don't worry. We've put together a keto diet resources with everything you need to know to guide you through the first month. Get started now. Visit the link in description.